Hi, I'm Dominica and I am an ARM ambassador. I became an ARM ambassador because I have a personal love for circuits. And after my capstone project, where I met an ARM expert called Stephen Ozoibo, he introduced me to the ARM developer program. And I realized that there were more people like me because I felt there were not enough people like me, especially in my community. So I thought, okay, I could bridge the gap between my community and then getting access to such resources. Because from a personal standpoint, I really struggled in getting certain components, and my capstone was built on ARM. So I'm in a good position right now to help other people like me get easier access to resources like ARM experts as well as ARM components.
Hello, I'm Daniel, and I'm an ARM ambassador. So I can give a literalist answer to why I became an ARM ambassador, which is that my friend Robert asked me. But I think my friend Robert asked me because we used to be colleagues at Linaro. Linaro does loads of stuff for ARM. So it means I have things to offer the program, and I think the program has things to offer me.
Hi, I'm Dara, and I'm an ARM ambassador. So I had formerly been part of the Innovator program in the past, I think for 3-4 years. And then, our ambassador program was being developed and just reapplied, of course, why not? I'm happy being, active in the community, and the community is very active as well. So, you're not kind of left to your own devices. And, yes, and the camera, and you can cut that. And then the other thing to say is that it also aligns with a lot of other kind of programs that are going out on the kind of industry. So I'm also part of the Docker Captains program and the AWS Community Builders program. And I run a few meetups over in the kind of Swiss-German community in Europe, and a lot of that kind of community around Europe and everything. So it allows to bring an interface from the kind of the ARM ecosystem into the whole kind of cloud native and kind of modernized developer experience. Yeah, okay. And another thing I enjoy doing is also are active in what's called the software craftsmanship community. So I used to work formerly in testing and test automation, and there, it's a lot easier to test code that is testable, and that there's a sense of craftsmanship around it. So this is called Soccer tests, and it's also kind of you can apply or get involved voluntarily, and it also kind of aligns with a lot of the kind of qualities and principles that programs like the ARM developer program kind of also sponsors and pushes and advocates for.
Hi, my name is Tore Krug, and I am an ARM ambassador. I work for a company called Eisler, and we're building hardware, and nowadays a lot of hardware is ARM, leverages ARM products, and being in the ARM developer program enables us to bridge the gap between hardware and software developers.